Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a chat in Microsoft Teams. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main screen where you can access all your Teams features. Now tap on the chat icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will take you to your chat list where all your conversations are stored. This is where you can manage all your one-on-one and group chats in Teams. Next, browse through your chat list and find the conversation you want to delete. Take your time scrolling through to locate the specific chat you're looking for. Once you've found it, press and hold on that chat. This action will bring up a menu with several options for managing that particular conversation. From the menu that appears, tap Delete. This option allows you to remove the chat from your list completely, clearing up space and helping you stay organized. Keep in mind that deleting a chat removes it from your view, making it easier to focus on your active conversations. After tapping Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is Teams' way of making sure you really want to delete this chat, as the action cannot be undone. Simply tap Delete on this confirmation pop-up to finalize the removal. And that's it! You've successfully removed the chat from your Microsoft Teams app, keeping your conversation list clean and organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.